Hello everyone, myself Siddhesh. I have completed my data analysis course from Learning 360 Academy, and I am thrilled to share my journey regarding my course with you, from being a curious student to becoming a successful business analyst at Reserve Bank Information Technology. I have completed my bachelor's in computer engineering from Mumbai University, where I discovered my passion for data analytics and its real world applications. And so that's the reason I decided to enroll in the data analysis course. I tried to learn data analysis through YouTube tutorials, but as these tutorials lacked personal guidance as well as interactiveness, it was one of the main reasons for me to get myself enrolled into a data analysis course offered by Learning 360 Academy. The reason behind me choosing Learning 360 over any other academy would be that its location. It's located perfectly nearby Thane station, which really helped me commute easily. And the second reason would be the atmosphere of the institute. It has a really positive atmosphere, and the teachers made me feel really comfortable throughout my course. They were kind enough to solve all my doubts and patient enough. I really appreciated the guidance provided by Neelam ma'am, and she was the best trainer, I would say. The instructors provided by the academy are really knowledgeable and experts of their industry, and their unique teaching style also helped me enhance my learning experience. The main part being that the academy offered a job guaranteed program, which was a huge confidence boost for me.